He's like, was that a nipple?
He's looking for something.
Oh, did you get that, Dad?
Yeah, I am.
Look here, I'm gonna come next week though.
It's okay. You want to hold him goodbye real quick?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Oh, you got my blanket too. Oops. Here you go.
Let's see, Sean. Oh,
You see her?
look at that. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
His little mustache?
He's got his little eyes.
She's like all the dry skin.
Yeah.
Ooh, he says, ooh, Shawnee.
Oh, man.
Oh. He has that nice lip. You see it?
They're pretty. Yeah, baby.
What's pretty?
His little lips.
Welcome to the oh.
Is he gonna cry? Or go to sleep?
Dude, what's the really sure what he's doing. Hey, I wonder if they, what this is from. If they
Oh, he even does this. He just.
Hmm.